I'm Damian Evans and I studied professional practice in social housing. It's encouraged me to challenge decisions because I work in a completely different department to what basically the qualification is. I've learned to challenge and also propose a hybrid role for what I do and what the course is intended. So I have proposed it, although it hasn't been accepted yet, so hopefully it will have implications. It taught me how difficult it actually is to do that, not only with a busy work schedule but family, other commitments outside work. So it's taught me how difficult this sort of academic learning is. Hopefully it will pay off. I'm sure it will, but I take my hats off to every student this year in the same situations I've been. I'm certainly glad I've studied the qualification, and even if it doesn't bring any fruition, I'm glad I did it and would recommend it to anybody else.